This December, the excitement is in full gear at Mike Fair Chevrolet Buick GMC as we launch our year-end Clearout event. With incredible offers rolling out every day, now's the time to drive home a new Chevrolet, Buick, or GMC and save like never before. With a $500 holiday bonus on most models, special programs, and cash incentives, we at Mike Fair GM are here to make your dreams of a new ride a reality. With a selection of demo vehicles, the savings just keep adding up. Additionally, we will have attractive dealer savings to accompany all eligible GM programs.
Ho, ho!
Imagine this. With only a simple trade appraisal, you can take advantage of our $1,000 trade-in top-up. Take advantage of these exclusive year-end savings to upgrade to the perfect ride at a price that's impossible to resist. If you're searching for style, reliability, and longevity, look no further than the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500. Finance these legendary trucks for as low as 0% for up to 72 months on approved credit, lease for as low as 1.9% for 24 months, or save up to $8,500 in cash savings. For those eyeing versatility and style, explore our lineup of EVs, cars, SUVs, and crossovers with finance rates as low as 0% for up to 72 months on approved credit. Whether you're after cutting-edge innovation or everyday practicality, we've got the perfect model for you. Take advantage of our bonus offers this season, such as $200 off select Pirelli winter tires with the purchase or lease of a new 2024 or 2025 Trax or Trailblazer. Don't miss out on employee pricing, where you can save up to $10,000 off MSRP on select full-size SUVs, up to $10,700 on select HD trucks, or a massive $15,000 off MSRP on select EVs. Looking for style and fuel efficiency? Check out our Buick lineup for the incredibly reviewed Envista, which will be sure to impress in every aspect. Wanting a little bit of extra space for family and adventures? The Buick Envision is here to help you conquer. Rates as low as 4.99% to offer incredible payment options. Don't wait! Visit Mike Fair Chevrolet Buick GMC today. Let's make your automotive dreams a reality with our exclusive year-end clear-out deals.